Another parable put he forth to them, saying, The kingdom of heaven is like a man who sowed good seed in his field. But while the man slept, his enemy came and sowed weeds among the wheat and went his way. When the blade was sprung up and brought forth fruit, then appeared the weeds as well. So the servants of the householder came and said to him, Sir, did you not sow good seed in the field? Where have the weeds come from? He said to them, An enemy has done this. The servants said unto him, Do you want us to go out to the field and pull up the weeds? But he said, No, lest while you gather up the weeds, you root up also the wheat with them. Let both grow together until the harvest, and in the time of harvest I will say to the reapers, Gather together first the weeds, and bind them in bundles to burn them, but gather the wheat into my barn. Jesus told all these things to the multitude in parables, and nothing he said was without a parable, that it might be fulfilled which was spoken by the prophet, saying, I will open my mouth in parables, I will utter things which have been kept secret from the foundation of the world. Then Jesus sent the multitude away, and went into a house, and his disciples came unto him, saying, Declare unto us the parable of the weeds of the field. He answered and said to them, He that sows the good seed is the Son of Man. The field is the world. The good seed are the children of the kingdom, but the weeds are the children of the wicked one. The enemy that sowed the weeds is the devil. The harvest is the end of the world, and the reapers are the angels. As therefore the weeds are gathered and burned in the fire, so shall it be in the end of this world. The Son of Man shall send forth his angels, and they shall gather out of his kingdom all things that offend, and them which do iniquity. And they shall cast them into a furnace of fire. There shall be wailing and gnashing of teeth. Then shall the righteous shine forth as the sun in the kingdom of their Father. Who hath ears to hear, let him hear. Let him. Praise be to God.